ikaw, Belle, sisipahin mo, sisigaw kang lolo.
Hindi. For me, kasi like partner ko siya, di ba?
Yeah.
So, I guess I'm comfortable with him. So, I can say, stop. Parang tanga to. Alam mo
Ganun
yun?
talaga. Parang tanga to.
Paano? Wait. Paano?
Parang tanga to.
Huwag dyan. Huwag dyan.
Alam mo
Malimbutas yan. Hello and welcome sa panibagong episode ng Katarantaduhan Podcast. This is your boy, Erwin.
It's your girl, Isabel.
It's your girl, Riri.
It's your girl, Pat.
Wow! Alright! Anong hula niyo sa ating kumpisal?
Halay, for sure.
Yeah, kasi tapos na yung
Ano yung halay?
wholesome.
Malaswa.
Sobrang
Rumal
innocent.
dumal.
Ano yung halay?
Hindi ko, first time ko narinig.
Malaswa.
Ikaw, Riri, anong
Really?
hula?
Ano hula mo sa confession?
Yun na dan.
Yun na din.
Same.
Confession. Bigla akong pinwitan. I'm 22, female. I have a boyfriend. Kahapon, habang nagsisex kami, bigla niya ako finlip over to do missionary. Normal naman yun as he does that all the time. But this time, instead na ipinasok niya sa vagina ko, bigla niyang ipinasok sa puwet ko. Sobrang sakit dahil first time ko yun and without my consent. Tapos he pinned me down. Hawak yung dalawang kamay ko like hindi ako makagalaw. Tangina, sobrang stunned ko. Literal na nag-freeze ako at hindi makapag-react kahit isang salita. Worst part is, he just kept going. Like wala siyang pakialam na parang hindi niya naramdaman na nashock ako. Pagkatapos niya, tsaka lang siya nag-react nung napansin niyang super tahimik ko na. Sinubukan pa niya akong i-comfort. Pero to this day, sobrang out of it pa rin ako. Like hindi ko ma-process at hindi pa rin ako makapaniwala. Ngayon, sobrang sakit ng puwet ko. Parang may sugat na. Tapos sumasakit pa yung likod ko. He apologized na pero I still feel so bad. I feel so violated and disgusted sa nangyari. Hindi ko alam kung ano ang gagawin ko. Feeling ko para akong na-rape dahil wala akong laban nung nangyari. I'm so confused and hurt pa rin. Paano ba to? Should I talk to him about it or what? Kasi right now, sobrang sama talaga ng loob ko. Tangina, bakit ba? Ganito. Yun ang confession.
Oh my God. Na-rape talaga siya.
Yeah, it's not parang na-rape. Na-rape talaga siya.
Yeah. Like, how do you feel about like, you know, like being in a relationship tapos ginawa sa inyo yun ng mismong kapartner mo na dapat yung safe space mo?
That's so effed up. Like, sobrang lala nun.
Yeah.
Kasi alam mo yung you're in the middle of a very intimate act.
Yep.
Tapos, diba, alam mo, expected mo na yung mga mangyayari, ganyan. Maybe you guys do it all the time. I don't know. But then, biglang ganon.
Yeah.
I think na-rape siya talaga. And honestly, I'm not sure, did she ask him to stop?
Hindi nga raw siya naka-react.
Yeah.
Like, sobrang stunned niya.
I get it though.
And I hate
like,
the fact na, like, may mga comments sa TikTok na, oh, ginusto mo yan kasi hindi ka naman nanlaban or anything. Well, when you're in the moment.
Exactly.
Like, how, like, ang take ko kasi dun, what if sa'yo nangyari?
Mm-hmm.
Alam mo ba agad kung ano, like, wala ka kasi sa situation eh. So, hindi mo pwedeng sabihin na atangin na ginusto niya yun. Na
Yeah.
ganun. Like, you know what I mean? Like, ikaw, Bella, how do you feel about that? Confession.
Pag sa akin ginawa,
Hindi na, ikaw, gusto mo ba? Hindi ko,
ayoko yun.
hindi naman yun yung sinabi ko, but sige na, sinabi mo na eh.
naramdaman ko yung takot sa boses niya.
Kasi kala ko tinatanong niya kung sa akin ginawa, ayoko yun.
No, how do you feel about the confession? Hindi ko sinabi yung sa'yo ginawa. O let's say sa'yo ginawa. Oh, ano
Ayoko yun.
Oh, okay, ayaw mo.
Oh, I think that's rape. Kasi sinabi niya, di ba,
Yeah.
like, parang na-rape siya. I think that's rape. Kasi walang consent and, di ba, everything na walang consent na something like sexual act. Ganun.
Yeah.
Yeah, but honestly, right now, I don't know what she should do about it.
Yeah. Ikaw, Cherry, anong...
Ako din naman, I agree. Parang, feeling ko, siguro sa guy din, hindi rin niya, siguro nasarapan. Tapos bigla na lang, alam mo yun, try ko nga dito. Yung
Yeah,
parang bang,
yeah.
diba, yung perspective ng guy, parang iniisip ko lang na siguro sa kanya din, parang, ay, since we're doing it, I think,
Might as well.
diba?
Try it.
Pero
Yeah.
at the same time, siguro hindi sila same ng wavelength na,
Yeah.
okay, I don't think na you have the right to do that to me. Para bang ganun.
Oo, sa girl side.
Oo, sa
Yeah.
girl side.
Yeah.
So, parang kung ako yung girl din, masyashock na lang ako. Sabi, what the fuck? Ano tong nangyari
Yeah.
sa akin yung ganito?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, mapapamasstand talaga ako.
Kasi I feel like may mali talaga dun sa portion na hinawakan yung kamay niya tapos pinin down.
Yeah.
Like yung act of,
Oh, yeah,
like
yeah.
talagang hindi siya
Yeah.
makagalaw kasi like yung iniisip ko doon, intentional niyang pinin down, thinking na manlalaban to.
Yeah.
Like,
Sila ba? Sila ba?
magjowa sila.
Yeah, magjowa
Ay,
sila.
nakaka-turn off yun pag ganun.
Diba?
Yeah, which
How
is
do you
like,
recover?
it's kind of sad kasi nga yun yung sinasabi ko na parang, supposedly, like sabi mo nga, intimate act, and this person is supposed to be your safe space.
Yeah.
And siya pa yung nag-violate sa'yo. Yung ganon. So, ang lala siguro ng, I don't even know how to process right after that. Like, alam mo yung mga, hindi ko alam kung yung napapanood ko lang sa movies na after nilang ma-assault or ma-violate, yung ayaw nilang matouch man lang sila sa
Yeah.
sa balikat
Yeah.
or whatever, yung mga ganon. Kaya medyo nakakaawa. So,
Yeah.
do you think mag-stop yung guy kung halimbawang nag-react or sumigaw yung girl at that moment?
Ang hirap niya na.
Hmm.
We don't know the guy.
Yeah.
So, we don't know. Hindi ko
I
alam,
hope he
like,
would. Like,
Yeah.
Like, let's say kasi, di ba, ang nangyari kasi, that's why I wanna talk about this kasi ang daming nagsasabi na, kasi hindi ka nagsalita as a girl. But then, like I said, babalikan ko yung factor na na-shock in a stand
Yeah.
Yes.
yung babae. And that's why hindi siya nakapagsalita. But then again, if she said something, do you think merong part sa guy na, mag-i-stop siya kasi pumapalag yung girl?
Hindi natin alam. Pero honestly, first of all, dapat hindi niya yung ginawa eh. Lalo't di naman nila regularly ginagawa, hindi nila normally ginagawa yon. He should have asked. Like,
Yes.
una pa lang mali na talaga yun eh. So, kahit pa magsumigaw yung girl and tumigil siya, mali pa rin yung first act niya. You know? He should have asked before doing it.
yeah.
Yeah.
So, kung tumigil man siya, it doesn't really matter. So, yung mga nagko-comment na, like, kasalanan ng girl kasi hindi siya nagsalita. In the first place, kasalanan ng guy, bakit niya ginawa nang hindi niya tinatanong yung girl?
Yung girl,
Diba?
yung
Like,
partner
why
niya.
would you wait for her to react?
Yeah.
Diba? You should have asked first.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tama yun.
I hate that. I hate na ang dami nagsasabi nun sa comment.
Victim shaming. Yung ganun.
Diba? Hindi, and it's not just that. It's the fact na kino-comment niyo yun is dinidiscourage, kaya nadi-discourage yung mga victims eh. Kasi they always, like, sa sarili nga nila, hindi na nila ma-process na nangyari yun sa kanila. It's already so hard to accept na someone who's supposed to love them did that to them. Tapos, dagdagan pa natin ng public scrutiny nila lahat sinasabi na, dapat nagpa-stop ka or dapat umalis ka or dapat nanlaban ka. But then in the moment, you can't really judge. It's so hard to be in that situation. And I'm not just saying this for girls. Kasi may mga
Totoo
guys
yun,
din na
totoo
nare-rape,
yun.
diba?
Yeah.
So, by saying stuff like that, it's so sad
It doesn't
Yeah.
help.
na
Yeah.
parang discourage natin yung for people to actually say na I'm a
Yeah.
victim.
Totoo yan.
True.
Yeah.
Actually, may isa nga ako na-replyan dun kasi I'm so fed up na laging ganun yung comment niya when it comes to this. Tapos binalik ko sa kanya yung tanong, paano ko ikaw yung biglang pinwitan? Lalaki siya. Matutuwa ka ba? Tapos bigla ka nagsabi na na-violate ka, tapos biglang sinabi namin na gusto mo rin kasi
Yeah.
hindi ka
Yeah.
nanlaban.
Yeah,
Anong
exactly.
mararamdaman mo? Like yung out of nowhere, bigla lang, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Diba? So sabi ko, like parang minsan ilangan mo din ilagay yung sarili mo dun sa kinalalagyan nung tao. Like, what if ako yung ginanon?
Always.
Diba?
Yeah.
And I feel like ako, kung ako yung sasagot ng question, I don't think titigil yung guy. Yung just the fact na, di ko alam, I'm just guessing, kasi nga pinindaw niya. So,
Nandun na yung intensis.
and tsaka yung sobrang, like yung, actually gusto ko rin itanong, impulse lang kaya yun, tipong biglaan lang or premeditated talaga?
Oh, that's scary. Ang scary ng tanong mo na yan.
Yeah, kasi
Actually.
like when it's parang let's just say heat of the moment na parang like nandun ka sa like into it. Impulse ba na bigla ka lang nakaramdam or talagang oh shit, this is my perfect timing. Na matagal na pala niyang iniisip kasi yung kasi yung parang na-bother talaga ako dito is why would you pin down
Yeah.
Yeah.
someone?
That's true.
Yeah.
Alam mo,
Diba?
I don't know what's worse, kung premeditated or kung impulse. Kasi kung premeditated, napag-isipan niya and talagang masama yung intention niya. So that's bad. But then if impulse, that's what separates us from animals. So are you saying na wala ka nung human instinct that separates you from,
Yeah.
you
Yeah.
know, animals?
Yeah, yun
Ganun
din
ba?
sasabihin ko eh. yun din talaga. Hindi ko
Copy-paste.
Hindi ko lang may sa put into words ba? But exactly what she said.
Yeah. And I just wanted to say too na parang during that moment, you can tell kung yung partner mo is nagugustuhan. 'Di ba?
Yeah.
Paano? Char?
Right?
How can you tell?
Yeah.
Sample, okay? Hindi, but anyway, di ba? Kasi let's say, kung in pain yung tao,
Yeah.
you can tell na hindi naman yan i-enjoy. So then, at that point, tas tinuloy mo, tinapos mo yung sarili mo. Then, kasi sinabi niya, kaya ako sinasabing talagang, hindi ko naman sinabing totally premeditated, basta intentional is, imaginein mo, like, after nilang gawin, tahimik si girl, kinomfort siya, pero not until after na nung, let's say, kung ngayon ang nangyari, nag-apologize siya later na.
Yeah.
When he thought na parang, oh shit, something's wrong with, ba't di niya ako
Yeah.
kinakausap? So, nag-apologize siya, I don't know, a day later or something like that, which to me is like, it's a red flag.
Selfish
Unacceptable.
yun.
Yeah, anong take niyo doon though? Like, kaya sinasabi ko na, premeditated talaga.
Kakapanood niya yan ng mga
Kung ano-ano.
kung
Yeah.
ano-ano sa internet. Kaya akala
ko
niya
din.
okay lang yun. Kasi di ba yun sa mga internet, basta-basta na lang sila. Artista naman yun, kuya. Hindi naman
Paano
kayo
wala lamang
artista.
basta-basta?
Hindi naman kayo artista. Like, siguro akala niya automatic na to. Like, pwede ko tong gawin because they're doing it. Like, sa internet,
Yeah.
basta-basta lang. Di naman di naman mukhang na-enjoy nung girl or whatever.
Yeah.
So, alam mo yung feeling niya, it's a part. Feeling niya, it's okay.
Yeah.
That's bad though.
Wait, I was gonna say, that's a really good point. Kasi, may mga kaibigan ako.
Okay.
Diba?
Bakit ganyan yung mga kaibigan mo?
Hindi talaga. May mga
Ang lala na
wait,
circle of friends
and-
nito ni
ito pa.
Anya eh. No?
Ito mo sabihin ko. Yung kaibigan ko is both girls and boys ang nagsabi sa akin ito, ha?
Okay.
And sabi nila, pag daw ganun, there's a preparation for it.
Okay,
Kailangan mo
yan.
siyang i-prepare.
Yeah.
Hindi siya pwedeng basta-basta na lang. And it involves a lot of process na sana hindi na lang nila sinabi sa akin.
Yeah.
Pero, kasi alam naman natin na doon lumalabas yung poo-poo cakes, di ba?
Yeah, dookie.
Alam naman,
May dookie
alam naman
dun.
natin. So sabi nila, kapag daw na-irritate yon, lalabas siya lahat. Yeah!
Oh, like pag na-poke siya.
Yeah, so dapat sinasabi nila, kaya
Yeah.
kailangan mo siyang use a douche or something
Douche,
na
yeah,
kailangan mo
yeah.
siyang tanggalin muna lahat. Tapos, kailangan daw, wow, tinuruan ko na kayo!
Mag-fasting!
Yung ginagawa.
Fasting.
Kailangan mo maglabas ka muna.
Yeah,
bago-
kailangan mo ilabas lahat. Tapos, kailangan
Friends
daw
niya kaya
doon,
talaga to. Siya yung talagang
kailangan daw sobrang lubricated niya kasi kung hindi,
Yeah, masakit.
sobrang lacerated nung dudugo
Yeah.
yun ng, as in dudugo to the point na dadaling ka sa ER.
Yeah.
Oh, gosh.
Ganun daw yung ano.
Yeah. Kasi
Kaya
hindi
I'm
naman
shocked.
yung tulad ng vagina na nagsiself-lubricate
Yeah.
eh.
Paano
Diba?
kaya kung may ganun tapos may laman?
At yun,
Eh di
labas
surprise.
siya.
Surprise, mother.
Ginusto niya yun.
Yeah.
Diyos ko, Lord.
Nakakaawa kasi yung sender, like, inaano niya na sobrang sakit pa rin daw nung ano niya, nung private part niya, tsaka yung likod niya.
Oh my God.
Like, you know what I mean?
Yeah,
So,
so sad.
like, ang sakit nun. Tapos, ang naisip ko nga, like you said, diba, hindi nga siya well lubricated. Can you imagine what if the guy was even wearing like a condom? Mas masakit yun kasi may friction eh.
Yeah.
Like, yung rubber to,
That's true.
so like, yun yung naano ko, like, hindi kayo parehas mag-enjoy nun eh.
Hindi
Diba?
ba yun masakit sa guy? Sorry, wala kasi akong bird eh. So, hindi ko alam din.
Lagi nila sinasabi ni Bella.
Masakit sa guy.
Ano, kasi siya yung pumapasok, ewan ko.
Hindi, I think,
I don't
Kasi it's too like,
maganda
it's too
yung point mo
constricted.
do kasi like sa guy masakit din yun kasi kung hindi well lubricated nga yung kahit lang nga yung sa private sa vagina na eh. Pag hindi lubricated yun tas inano mo ng raw, masakit siya. Imaginein mo yung may burnik pa. Hindi pero mas masakit yun kasi nga talagang ano eh. I think ito ano ko lang. Siguro I feel like baka nagustuhan yun nung guy na gawin niya doon just because syempre yung butthole mas tight siya. So yung sensation na parang mas na nagtatrab yung ano niya, yung bird niya. Tulad na sabi mo. Baka mas sa kanya yun. Pero pag hindi yun talaga well lubricated, ang sakit din nun para sa guy. I feel like, so nasagot ko na yung tanong mo kasi wala kang bird.
Kasi kung masakit for him, then he should know na masakit for the partner.
Not unless kink niya.
Yeah.
Oh
If you
my
think
God,
about it.
that's true.
Kasi
That's
it's like ano
Yeah,
may
yeah,
mga
you're
cases na yun nga pinanood na pinag-usapan natin yung sa morgue, yung kink niya, yung mga bangkay.
Oh, yeah.
So, yun din, pinag-usapan din natin yun na, pinag-usapan kasi namin, like, what if sa bangkay, di ba, patay na. Kahit ipasok mo sa private part ng bangkay yun, hindi na mag-lubricate yun
Yeah.
kasi patay na eh.
Tik yan.
Di ba? If you
Yeah.
think about that, so like, I don't even know paano sila nakaka-get off dun sa bagay na yun. So, I just wanted to get women's perspective, which is, this is good na, kayo yung kausap ko dito. And just to be clear, I do not wish this to anyone. Anyone, okay? But how would you have dealt with the situation kung kayo yung nasa kalagayan ni sender?
Stop. Like,
You would-
I mean, again, I don't want to jump the gun and say that I'll do it because I've never been there. Diba? Hindi naman natin alam kung ano talaga yung magiging reaction natin if we're placed in that situation. But I'd like to believe na kaya kong sabihin na stop or like mag-flinch or umalis. Para saan pa at kumain tayo ng extra rice this morning, di ba? And you know what? If it still happened, I would never be able to look at that person the same way again.
Yeah.
Like it's gonna change so much for me.
Yeah.
Ako yung tipong taong pag ayoko. Siguro tutulak ko, ma-off ako. Parang red flag na to sa
Tatadyakan mo.
akin. Siguro kung hanbawa, like, kami pa lang, like, ilang years pa lang, whatsoever. Isa na yun sa nakalistang red flag. Ay, ganito palang tao to. Like, ano to, wala kang respeto. Hindi mo man lang ako sinabihan. Yung mga ganung bagay. So, parang ako
actually,
magsa-stop
totoo.
ayoko. Ayoko nang ganun.
Nagsasabihin mo talaga.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Ikaw, Bella, sisipahin mo, sisigaw kang sak. Lolo.
Hindi, for me, kasi like partner ko siya, di ba?
Yeah.
So, I guess I'm comfortable with him. So, I can say, stop. Parang tanga to.
Ganun talaga. Parang tanga to.
Paano? Wait. Paano?
Parang tanga to.
Huwag yan. Huwag yan.
Alam mo
Malimbutas yan.
What I'm saying is, because I'm comfortable with the person, I can say that. I can do that.
Hindi, pero paano? Kasi paano mo sasabihin yung parang tanga to, nakapin down ka nga. Hawak yung kamay mo eh.
Actually, bestie, kanina ko pang inisip yung mga nakapin down na sinasabi mo. Hindi kasi lahat ng pinipin down. Like,
Nabipinda.
napipin down.
Oh my God.
No, ibig sabihin ko lang is, sa mga napanood ko kasi yung, mas nauso dati yung palabas eh, grades. Shades of Grey.
50
Shades of Grey. Shades of Grey.
Close
Shades
enough.
of Grey.
Basta yung 50
no shade.
Shades. Di ba? Like, pin
yeah.
down dun, di ba? And, feeling ko gusto naman ng babae yun. Yung,
Sa 50 Shades of
sa
Grey.
50 Shades of Grey.
Si Sasha
So, what I'm
Grey.
saying is, hindi naman totally pag napin down. Like, ako, pag pinin down mo ako, isang ganyan ko lang sa'yo.
Oo.
Tanggal na yung pin down.
Hindi yung like let's say yung pin down sa'yo, hawak ka sa ganito. Like let's say nakaganto ka.
Nakahawak
Oo, yung ganun. Ganun ko siya binvisualize.
Okay.
Let's say kasi 'di ba missionary, so you
Yeah.
nakahiga ka on your back. So parang tihaya ka.
Hindi ko kasi alam yung ano eh.
So nakatihaya
Yung
ka.
term.
So yung nakatihaya ka tapos let's say pinin down ka, hawak yung kamay mong ganyan. So
O, paano
both
siya
of you,
sa puwet kung nakahiga?
pwede mo pa rin naman gawin yun eh.
Really?
I think you can still.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wait, alam mo ba? Akala ko sabihin ni Bel, lalabas ko bird ko.
Lipsting bird ko dito.
Parang tanga.
No, okay. Balik na tayo doon. So what I'm saying is, just because I'm comfortable with a person, I can say stop.
Oh,
Okay.
okay. Yeah.
But not everyone can do that. Like, just what she, like, gaya ng sinabi niya.
English na lang kasi.
Gaya ng sinabi niya, like, iba-iba kasi yung mga tao. Minsan
Yes.
hindi mo talaga masasabi. What I'm saying, like, yung sinasabi ko right now is, for my partner, I can say, and
Yeah.
I know that he will stop.
Yeah.
Like, ganon.
But do you think he has the tendency to do such a thing without even asking?
I don't think so.
Okay. That's
I don't
good
think
though.
so
That's
either.
good. Yeah. But that's good na, ibig sabihin, if you guys can say that, ganun yung kakilala, yung partner.
Yeah.
Kasi I feel like, if there's anything na nakakasad lalo kay sender, which is hindi niya rin naman kasalanan, hindi niya pala talaga kilala.
That's so
Yung
sad.
jowa.
That's
Tagal na
true.
ba sila nito?
Walang sinabi. So, pero ang sinasabi niya lang, normal deed yung parang bigla siyang iti-turn over para mag-missionary and then may mangyayari. Pero first time niya yung bigla nga siyang pinlitan. Yeah.
Ang hirap nun sa missionary, ah.
Pag nakaganon, no?
Oo,
I
tas
guess
sa puwet.
depende
Alam mo,
kung
na-imagine ko,
paano
diba,
kung sexy siya
Ako
talaga
din.
do.
Ano ba yung missionary kasi?
Missionary nga yung parang you're
Nakatihaya
heading
ka.
on your back. Tapos yung guy nasa top mo.
Okay.
Yeah.
Paano niya maaabot yun?
Yeah.
Kailangan nakataas yung pet mo ng konting gano'n.
I guess.
I mean, some people are creative. So,
That's
maybe
true.
meron ka na naman pwedeng tag dito, bagong side quest. Ben.
Siguro magaan si ate. Kaya siya
Kaya ka bang i-turn over, i-flip over? Hindi.
Hirap na
Kailangan
hirap.
flexible.
Sarili ko nga, hindi ko may turn over.
Kailangan flexible ka dun.
Kailangan. Okay, after the whole thing, would you stay in the relationship and talk it out or break up with him? Or break up with him and file charges?
Ako no. I can't stay with him. I will break up with him. Like, for me, I will file charges. Tama ba? File
Yeah.
charges.
Yeah.
I will file charges. Like, for me ha.
Yep.
Pero sinasabi ko nga sa iba kasi, it's hard. You know, madaling sabihin, hindi madaling gawin.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So for me, because I have the support and I have the Like, for me, I have the power to do it. You know, kasi ang pagkapalaki sa akin, ganun talaga eh.
Yeah.
So, I can and I will file charges against him and I will break up with him. Kasi dahil sa ginawa niya, it means wala nang pupunta na relationship namin. There's no respect or whatever. And for me, that's the most important sa isang relationship.
Sira na yung
Yeah.
trust. Yeah.
Yeah.
What about you, Che?
Ako, feel ko, opposite ako. Feel ko, kakausapin ko muna. Kasi parang, tinitingnan ko yung whole situation. Hindi mo alam kung gaano katagal na sila. Kasi, ile-let go mo ba yun dahil lang dun? Kasi
True,
parang,
true. May
di
point
ba
ka.
pwede mo
Yeah.
siyang i-come up na para, okay, ayoko nang ginanon mo ko. Parang ganun. Kasi sa
Yeah.
relationship naman, you have to be open. And syempre, hindi lang, kung gaano ka, ano yung love mo sa kanya, kung gaano ka magtitiis or something, nakikita dun yung parang, okay, palalampasin ko to. Pero at that point, hindi ko ma-speak for the girl or the sender.
Yeah.
Kasi
Yes,
hindi ko
yes.
rin naman alam kung gaano sila katagal or whatsoever. Pero kung ako yun, ayun, kakausapin ko muna. And if it's still like,
Ganun pa din.
o ganun pa din, yun na, wala na, red flag na talaga.
Yeah.
Pero,
Yeah.
hindi mawawala sa isip ko yung nangyaring,
Yeah.
ay,
Yeah.
red flag to. So, parang, titingnan ko muna and then, gagawin ang sinabi ko, like, titingnan ko, itatry ko yung best ko hanggang wala na ako regret sa huli.
Let's say, like,
Yeah.
follow-up question ko sa'yo, Che. So, you would stick to the relationship, talk about it, but after that, would it still bother you moving forward?
Yes. It's, yeah. Titingnan kong it will still linger sa akin siguro. Na
Oh,
parang,
okay.
Yeah.
parang tama ba na
Yeah.
pinatawad ko siya doon or parang mali? And then doon na siguro ako magde-decide
Magre-reevaluate ka
alam mo,
ulit kung...
Oo, na parang,
Yeah.
parang feel ko, bother na ako. Yun na, siguro, papunta na kami dun sa breakup siguro.
Yeah.
Ganun.
Na-violate ka na kasi.
Yeah. Ikaw, Bestie, how would you...
Again, like, gustong-gusto ko yung sagot ni Cherry, actually. It depends kasi, and I'm gonna put it into a perspective ng sarili kong relationship. Ha? If mangyari sa akin at this stage and at this, like, with this length, I would like to think na, I wanna say na magpa-file din ako ng charges, but I don't think so. I think I will do half of what Belle said and half of what Cherry said. Like, kakausapin ko muna. And depende sa sagot and depende sa what happens, then maybe kasi baka mamaya nadala lang ng emotion tapos hindi niya talaga alam, sobrang oblivious niya. I don't know. I don't think that's ever gonna happen to me, honestly. But if it does, I would say a combination of their answer except sa file charges. Kasi nga, going back, sobrang intimate nun. And I don't think I would be comfortable telling other people na someone I trusted and someone I love betrayed me like this. Again, yung parang sa mga rape victims or sa mga
Yeah.
mga violence against women like ano tawag doon? Yung mga home
Vowsy.
battered women.
Oh,
Sa battered women, like it's the same. It's almost like masyado siyang intimate and hit din sa pride mo, and it's like people are gonna think na sana iniwan mo na lang, whatever. Like ang daming pwedeng sabihin, and I just don't think I can take that, especially about someone na I loved so much.
And everyone knows.
Yeah, and everyone knows.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
true.
I don't think press charges, but combination ng sagot nila.
Diba, at saka what do you guys think na halimbawa, diba may mga asawa, tapos sinasaktan, hindi nila sinasabi sa iba kasi syempre pinoprotektahan yung family, family nila,
in a way.
diba?
That's
Hindi siya
true.
easy to,
Yeah.
to deal with.
Like, tignan mo tong women before you or after you ba?
In front of
Like,
you.
tignan mo ha.
Behalf.
Tignan mo yung like, nasa stages ng life namin, kaya magkakaiba
Iba-iba.
yung answers namin.
Yeah.
See, I'm like the single of the singles. She's the mother of the mothers.
Ito about
And the
to-
engaged of the engages.
Engages.
So, alam mo yun, like, iba't-iba talaga. Like, I think
Yeah.
yung
And
mga
that's good.
answers
Ang
talaga,
ganda nung...
Yeah.
it really depends
Yung
kung
diverse
nasan ka sa
answers niya.
stage ng life mo.
And relationship.
And that's perfect.
And
I didn't even realize that, Bella. eh. But the thing though, like I wanna follow up dun sa file charges. I think ngayon ko lang na-realize, you know how like it's hard even for the actual rape victims na to prove.
Yeah.
Ito
Yeah.
partner mo na.
Yes.
Like pag dinala mo to sa police, alam mo yung ano ka pa nila, pagtatawanan ka, hindi
Yes.
criticize ka na, tangay na, ginusto mo naman yun eh.
Yeah.
Like mag-partner kayo, like sinong lolokohin mo. Like
Nasaan
when,
yung evidence?
exactly.
Yes.
Nasaan yung ebidensya?
Yes.
And how would you even prove? Tapos ang sunod na tanong, kilala mo ba to? Yes, partner ko siya. Where do you go
Yeah.
after that? Parang wall na kagad.
Yeah.
Yes.
'Di ba? So parang tangina, napuwetan na nga ako. Nasaktan na ako. Na-violate na ako.
Stress.
Tapos, gagawin nyo pang katatawanan, yung experience ko.
Yeah.
Di ba?
Alam mo, ang daming ganyan actually.
Sobra.
Ang daming ganyan. Lagi nilang nasarapan ka ba? Partner mo naman kakilala mo
Exactly.
naman.
Yeah.
Sumama ka sa hotel.
Oo.
Paano mo sinabi na rape ka? Sumama ka nga sa hotel. Nag-hotel kayo. Nag-ambagan kayo dyan.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, mahirap talaga siyang i-prove. Kaya yung mga rape victims,
They don't wanna
minsan
go through.
they just don't, they don't wanna say it. Hey, alam mo, magaling talaga ako mag-English, guys, ha? Minsan lang nahihirapan akong, kasi like the words in my head, it's just coming too fast.
Yeah.
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 Magaling talaga ako mag-English, guys.
Ang bilis.
Wala ko dyan.
Yeah.
Pero totoo yan, like, sobra yung galit ko sa mga ganyan eh. As in,
Yeah.
sobrang, I don't know why, it feels very personal. Kasi ang dami ko nabasang kaso na ganyan dati.
Yeah.
At ang malala niyan, they literally have to defend themselves
Yes.
sa front ng mga taong kilala niya pag nasa korte sila.
Which
in
is,
front,
i-relive na naman nila yun.
yes, exactly. They have to relive it. Tapos may mga magsabi, hindi naman nangyari yan. Tapos yung prosecution, tatanungin sila na yung mga tanong ni Belle. Tapos
Yeah.
parang, if you, like yung sabi mo kanina, Bestie, if you put yourself dun sa place nung taong yon, ang sakit na na. Like, it's
Yeah.
so hard to do that over and
Yes.
over and over again just to prove na na-violate ka. Can you imagine?
Yeah.
And dun sa mga hindi imagine nun for themselves kasi, I don't know, ba't ninyo ma-imagine? Imagine nyo kung sa anak nyo or sa mommy nyo
Yeah,
or sa
yeah,
like kapatid nyo, whatever. It's so dated nung thinking na sumama ka sa hotel so 'di ba
Yes.
ginusto mo yan? Ang
Yeah.
ikli ng palda mo, 'di ba? Kaya ginusto mo yan.
Yeah.
But then again, they have their jobs to do. Kasi malay mo nga naman, inosente yung kabila. So, balancing, sobrang delicate na subject niyan.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know.
Kasi parang one story could be just their story and then
Exactly.
there's always two sides of
Paano
it.
na lang kung mahina yung loob nung victim?
Yeah.
This is
Yeah,
kind of
most-
sad,
like
yeah.
most
In most
victims.
cases, and now that na-mention yung sa rape cases, kasi pinanood ko yung sa mga hindi nakakalam yung kay Joy Tanchi.
Oh, yeah. Oh my God.
Yeah, so then
Yeah.
siya yung, she was raped at 15 by seven guys.
Yeah.
And then napanood ko sa Tony Talks yung dad niya kinausap. Sabi bakit hindi nag-pursue ng charges. Sabi niya, yung anak ko na rape na. She was 15. Why would I wanna make my kid go through that again?
Yeah.
Tapos yung medical legal.
Yep.
Like, imagine na just even thinking about, talking about yung nangyari
Yeah.
is
Yep.
already hard enough.
Exactly.
Pupunta ka sa court, pag-uusapan, and even yung
Yeah.
mga medical legal nga. So alam mo yun, like parang I feel like tama ka dun, Bestie, na it's probably so hard for people to even talk about it, let
Yeah.
alone i-file mo yung actual case
Yes.
and
Exactly.
go through the whole loops and you know.
Yeah.
Let's
That's
talk
true.
about yung how important is consent in this type of scenarios?
My God, that's the most important one.
Yes.
Yeah.
Very.
That's the first na ginawa mo sana. Bago mo
Yeah.
ginawa yung lahat ng naisip mong gawin.
Yeah. I think ang na-realize ko dyan is it doesn't mean na porket magjowa na kayo, mag-asawa. Like alam mo yung hindi yung tatalikuran mo na yung salitang consent,
Yep.
'di ba?
There's no such thing as an implied consent.
Yeah.
Ever. Sa mga ganyan situations especially.
Mhm. Yeah. And ito, gusto ko to eh. Ito yung mga putang ina nababadip talaga ako. Like I swear to God. Anong masasabi nyo sa mga nagko-comment na pakipot lang yan kapag hindi binigay ang consent?
Kadiri.
Ikaw
My God.
kaya, ikaw kadiri, subukan nga.
Bestie
Alam
pa.
mo, siya na lang yung magpapuwit dun.
Try nyo kaya.
Yeah.
Na-imagine ko kung ako bigla ako pinwit ng putang ina eh. Tapos sasabihin sa akin, pakipot lang yan.
Oh
Hindi
my
ko ito
God.
ginagawang katatawanan. But like,
Yeah.
if you think about
Yeah.
it, you know what I mean? Diba?
Yung mga ganyan nagko-comment sa totoo lang dati di na pinapansin yung mga ganyan eh. Actually, I'm shocked na kung may more than one na nag-comment nun, I'm shocked talaga. Especially in this day and age.
Yeah.
Diba ang dami nang pinapag-usapan tungkol dyan?
Yeah.
Tapos magko-comment ka ng something as insensitive as that. Even if halimbawang mali, even if whatever, again, the messaging of you by commenting on that negatively, kahit hindi totoo yung, nabawa, iba yung kwento ni ate, iba yung version niya, but then other people who could have been victims are reading your comments and sila na may totoong
Matitrigger
experience
naman
yan,
sila, yeah.
trigger sila or like may isip nila, oh my God, tama pala talaga na hindi na lang ako mag-speak out.
Lalo
Yeah.
lang silang, like,
Yeah.
nandun lang lalo, hindi na nila i-open up.
Kuha
which
talaga
is-
yung gigil ko sa mga ganyan.
Yeah,
sa totoo.
I know. And ito, like, kasi nagtanong si Sender Urban dapat niyang gawin. For the, mga strong independent women co-hosts ko, anong mabibigay niyong advice kay Sender?
Ang hirap.
Mhm.
Kasi we just
It is.
talked about how hard it is to say it and do something about it. Like, ang lagi naming advice dito is mag-file ka ng kaso. Pero I understand.
How, yeah.
Pero, you know, we have to understand na sometimes it's not an option. And that's okay. If kailangan mong mag-heal through different means, like go to
Yes.
therapy or like talk to someone that you trust, then do that. You don't have to go through the courts
Yes.
para lang ma-feel mo na na-redeem ka.
Yeah.
Redemption, you can get that from anywhere else kung hindi ka comfortable. But then at the end of the day, like I always say, gagawin ulit niya ni Gago dun sa ibang tao. So,
Yeah. Pag
Might
hindi,
as
pag hindi
well.
siya naparusahan.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh my God, gigil ako.
Yeah. Ikaw, Che, anong advice mo kay Sandy?
Advice ko, ang hirap kasi mag-advise na, feeling ko, ang advice ko lang is, that. Hindi ko talaga alam kung ano mangyayari.
And that's fine. It's hard.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's hard kasi i-follow mo na lang siguro kung ano yung...
What you think is right at the
yeah,
moment, yeah.
Yes.
Kasi like, depende din yan sa nararamdaman mo. Kasi iba't iba tayo lahat eh. Iba't iba tayo ng opinion, iba't iba
right.
tayo ng...
Yes.
Like, siya gusto niya, like parang, di ba sabi mo na hindi magpa-file ng charges.
Yeah.
Pero baka naman sa'yo,
Yeah.
gusto mo talaga mag-file charges kasi
Yeah.
talagang hurt na hurt ka sa ginawa ng partner
Yes.
mo. So like, we can't speak for you. So, ang ma-advise ko lang is just follow what
What do you think?
you think
Yeah.
is better
Best,
for you.
yeah.
Yeah, I agree. I agree sa inyong dalawa. Sinabi niya na. Kasi magkakaiba talaga yung mga tao, di ba? Hindi natin alam kung paano mo i-handle yung nangyari sa'yo. Pwedeng pagka nag-file ka ng charges, mas ma-shame ka. Like, ma-feel
Yeah,
mo
victim
shameful
shaming,
kaya
yeah.
sa sarili mo. Like, di naman ma-victim shame ka ng iba, pero ma-feel mo yung shame sa sarili mo. And kapag mag-talk ka naman sa therapist, baka hindi ka pa ready to let your story out.
Yeah.
Kumbaga.
Yeah.
So for me, kung ano yung tingin mo ngang proper for you right now, you don't have to tell it to anybody.
Yep.
You know, if you wanna keep it to yourself, then keep it to yourself.
Right.
Like hindi naman lahat ng nangyari sa buhay mo kailangan lumabas for you to be able to heal. 'Di ba? You can heal within yourself.
Yeah.
So that's it.
Okay. That's so nice. Like, ang gagaling ng mga co-hosts ko, ng mga independent, women. So, with that, I'm gonna lead sa takeaway now. So, unahan ko na. First and foremost, always ask for consent. Mapalalaki man o babae. I'm saying this kasi pwede to mangyari hindi lang sa babae. It can happen to guys. And hindi porket partner mo, hindi mo nahihingin yung consent. Just ask yourself, what if ikaw yung ma-violate, biglang pasukan ng something sa puwet mo, tapos ayaw mo? How would you feel? Diba? And if you respect and love your partner enough, you will always get their consent no matter what. So yun. And always remember, ang consent, o sa mga hindi nakakaintindi ng consent, pahintulot, ay hindi kailanman pwedeng palitan ng dahas. Tandaan nyo yan. Ang consent o pahintulot ay hindi kailanman pwedeng palitan ng dahas. And wag maging kupal. Yung sasabihin na putang ina pakipot lang yan. Please lang. Wag niyong gagamitin yan. Nakaka-bad trip yun eh. Like sobrang kupal. And para kay sender, whatever action you take, it's okay. I hope you heal from this. So yun.
Yes.
Kayo, may takeaways kayo for the confession?
Ako nakapag-take out.
Gutom na.
Wait, nakapag-take out. No,
Yun na yun?
nakapag-take out.
Take out.
Baon na siya.
Ano bang seryoso ko eh.
Right through.
Nakapag-take away na ako kanina like for the sender.
Yeah.
Ang take away ko ngayon is para sa mga nagko-comment dyan. Like, don't be like that. You know? Hindi nyo alam pinagdadaanan ng mga tao. And you never know. Hindi mo alam kung pwede mangyari sa'yo yun.
Yes.
Pwede mangyari sa friend mo, sa anak mo, sa kapatid mo. Or kahit sa sinong importante sa buhay mo. So just
Amen.
don't do it. Like if wala kang sasabihin maganda, don't. Huwag ka na magsalita.
Yeah.
Sarilinin mo na lang yung kasamaan ng ugali mo.
Huwag
Diba?
ka naman damay ng ibang tao.
Huwag ka nang mangdamay ng iba kasi pag
Yeah.
nabasa yan ng tao,
Na may
hindi mo
ka-
alam ma-evaluate yung sarili niya na, oh shit, baka tama siya or
Yeah,
whatever.
exactly.
Lalo mong dinadagdagan, imbes na nakakatulong ka, lalong mo lang dinadagdagan.
Nagiging grave lalo yung
Yes,
nararamdaman.
nakakainis ka.
Oh, okay guys.
Ako naman yung takeaway ko para dun sa mga may balak gumawa nun.
Oh, nice. Actually, that's good.
For you guys, feeling ko, pakiramdaman nyo muna yung partner nyo. I mean, like, siguro may mga iba dyan na gusto yung gawin, na pinupuwetan sila. Pero feel ko, wag nyong gawin nang hindi nyo alam kung ano bang, kung gusto niya ba ng partner mo.
Yes,
So yeah,
yeah.
consent nga ang kailangan. So, sa mga gustong mamuwit dyan, is,
Mamumuwit.
mga puweters is,
Poeters.
pakiramdaman niyo muna yung partner niyo kung
Poppers.
gusto talaga. Kasi isa yun sa pag-show ng respeto sa relationship niyo.
Yes.
Amen.
Yeah.
Attorney.
Ang gaganda na sinabi nyo, doon na ako.
Speechless.
Para naman sa mga nanay na nagpapalaki ng anak. Char!
I mean, fair.
Iba na yung
Fair,
atake.
yeah.
No, but hindi.
That's good though. Yeah.
I guess, hindi kasi yung mga perversions kasi minsan hindi naman galing sa childhood or whatever eh. Like, sa environment nila outside of anyone's control. Pero gusto ko yung sinabi nyo about sa mga nagko-comment. Especially kung anonymous kayo. Kung tipong you're hiding behind,
From behind,
a
yeah.
dummy account.
Exactly.
Ew, para kayong si Belle, wala kayong bird. Just saying.
Wala siyang bird.
No, but what I'm
Tama
saying
yun.
is, di ba, like what I said earlier, ulitin ko na lang, hindi nyo alam sino makakabasa niyan. May
Yeah.
At alam mo, one time I hope ang makabasa niyan is nanay mo or like
Oh, shit.
magulang mo para nakakahiya. Or yung mga future girlfriend mo para nakakahiya.
Yeah.
Pero for ate, I hope you heal and you will. I don't know if the relationship will, but
Yes.
I'm guaranteeing na ikaw, kaya mong
Okay
mag-heal.
Wow.
Yes.
Amen.
Yes,
Ang
ganda.
gaganda.
Love it.
Thank you sa mga sinabi ng co-host ko and sa gumawa nito, I don't know, hopefully magbago ka na, wag mo na itong gagawin. And medyo nakakasad tong story na to. It's kind of heavy and you know, like it just shows kung anong klaseng mga tao pa rin ang meron sa lipunan natin and hindi pa rin talaga well-educated talaga. Or sadyang kupal lang talaga. Yun lang yung masasabi ko. And sa mga tulad nga ni Bestie, kung kupal ka pa rin, para kasi Bella, wala kang bird. Yun. Gusto ko iwan yun doon. And any last words, ladies?
No, that's it.
Take
Oh.
out.
Okay,
Take out na lang.
Okay, thank you guys sa pag-tune in dito sa episode na to. And until next time, this is your boy, Erwin.
It's your girl, Isabel.
It's your girl, Riri.
It's your girl, Pat.
Peace.
Bye.
Dapat, hindi nyo na lang pinansin yung take out. Kasi hindi na siya nahalata.